this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can force reset your iPhone in case your iPhone is stuck in some application or black screen, whatever cases. You can try a force reset. So you can do this to iPhone 15 Plus, Pro and Pro Max or any other version of Apple device possible. So in this case we're going to use 3 keys. The keys are here: volume up, volume down and the power key. So these are the 3 principal keys we're going to use. Let me show you. Hit volume up, then volume down and hold the power key at the same time. You'll see some logo as this or dark skin, whatever. Hold till it goes to black or till you see Apple logo. Here we go guys, you see Apple logo is very simple. If in this case your phone is not working, is not waking up, check my video, check the video description how you can fix furthermore from these circumstances. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye bye.